Besides the family-oriented, being carrying in my dad's shoes and hope to do that forever, it's just the sales and service and people. Getting to meet people, knowing people by name, and people coming in and asking, hey, it's so-and-so here, can you take care of me? And just watching them walk out with a smile. Cristie Holbrook, owner and operator of Davis Chainsaw and Lawnmower Repair in Kiln, Mississippi. Been in business since 1996, with my dad that's done it for 58 years.
My name is David. I own Lawnmower and Chainsaw shop here in Kiln. And I started in business in 1961 next door working for a gentleman called Jack Lott. He passed away probably about 30 years after I was there. Then I moved over here in 1990 and opened up the business and been here ever since.
I was going to college to be an RN. My dad, and he said, hey, why don't you come work with Dad? Because I've always followed Daddy, being Daddy's girl, so I came to work and been here ever since. I sell steel equipment we have for years, since we moved here. I sell push mowers, I sell zero turns, big dogs. We sell all your supplies for any equipment you need, blades, chains. We do repairs. I have a guy for my generators. I have a guy for push mowers. I have riders. We do just about anything. If it's gas, we'll work on it. When you come to Davis Chainsaw, you're going to leave. This is not like the big box stores. You don't come in and carry something out in a box. We will gas and tune, explain every detail. If you have any questions, we will explain the questions for you. You'll expect to leave out satisfied, smile, happy. If you have any issues, you're more than welcome to call me on the phone. Say, what can I do? Any warranty issues, you bring it right back here and we'll take care of it.
Do it right the first time. Make the customers happy. Just in case in the future they might have to bring their mowers back to David's, and I'm here to help them out. That's what keeps us busy. That's what keeps them busy. Without them, we have nothing.
They like family. They work on your stuff very fast. Summertime's pretty hectic because they stay so busy. They're very dependable, and you can count on them.
I like Davis Chainsaw because Cristie is sweet. And she takes care of everything we need. She comes through every time. Everything we need, she has it. She gives it in a timely manner.
I sold other equipment before Big Dog. Sold them years and years and years. Brought Big Dog in and they sell themselves. The quality's there, the performance is there. You have to believe in what you sell. You can't go out there and say, oh, this and this and this and try to give a line. You have to go out there and believe in what you sell. And we believe in what we sell. My dad's always, been, you have to trust in your product. So it gives the performance, we never have any issues, it's there.
The biggest thing about these ladies that separates Davis Chainsaw, they have a servant's heart. Their main objective is that whenever they see you leave, that you're happy and satisfied. That's where they get their fulfillment of making the sale.
A lot of ladies are scared to go in most repair shops because it's normally all men. And the ladies walk in there like, oh, a lady. Well, I'm gonna explain it to you what it looks like. Can you help me out? Yes, we can help you out. And then they're more comfortable, I guess. So we have average ladies and men. It's not more female than males that come in. So that's been kind of impressive over the years. We love customers. We love to learn about our customers, what type of equipment you have, what is your expectations of equipment, what type of, do you need something commercial, do you need something homeowner. When you come in, our main thing is customer satisfaction.
They always understand what you're talking about when you come in, and they always have parts available for you if you need them.
Honest people, and they have just about anything you need. If they don't have it, they sure can get it for you. Basically, they stand behind their word. If they tell you something, you count on it. Really, the people, nice people, friendly people, they go out of their way, come shake hands with you and talk with you and go on.
So when you come here, you're gonna leave and you're gonna remember our names and we're gonna remember your name. When you leave, you're gonna be happy and you're gonna be smiling and you're gonna have a pretty yard and everybody's gonna be happy.